If you're always forgetting to change your furnace filter, get an oil change, or swap smoke detector batteries, AI can track it for you. Open ChatGPT or Gemini and say, create a maintenance schedule for my home and car. Include furnace filters every 3 months, oil changes every 5,000 miles, and other seasonal tasks. It'll build a full checklist, then you can ask it to format it for your phone's Reminders app or Google Tasks. Copy and paste it straight in, and you're done. You can also ask, add links to buy each item when it's due, and it'll attach Amazon or Home Depot links automatically, or say, send reminders 3 days before each task, and the AI will give you ready-to-import dates. If you prefer apps, have AI generate the data and then feed it into Notion, Todoist, or Apple Reminders. It's like hiring a home manager, except it's free and it never forgets. You can even take it further. Ask, add a yearly home maintenance calendar based on my zip code, and it'll include weather-specific jobs like clearing gutters before winter or fertilizing your lawn in spring. Set it up once, and you'll never miss another reminder. AI won't change your filters, but it'll make sure you do. This is HackStack. Fast, simple hacks that actually work.